Here's how to get a student discount on Expedia flights. First, you want to open your preferred student verification platform like UniDays or StudentBean on your phone, as Expedia handles its student verification through these third-party platforms rather than directly inside its own app. Now you want to search for Expedia student discount. While Expedia's standard student code usually offer 8 to 10% off hotels, look specifically for the package bookings or flight bundle coupons, which typically slice around 4% off flights when paired with a stay. Now you want to copy the unique promo code generated by the app, then switch over to the Expedia app. Now tap on Flights or Packages icon, enter your destination and dates, then select your travel options to head to checkout screen. Finally, scroll down to the payment section. Here, select the coupon code option. Now enter your coupon code or promo link, then paste your verified student code in the box and hit apply to see your final fare drop. And that's how you can get a student discount on Expedia flights using the app. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.